What we have done is like we have dismantled a fan and then we'll be making it to a grinder. Okay.
But before you try any experiment, safety first. Doesn't avoids the worst.
Okay, so explain what are there in this.
So there's one fan. We're testing it with two cashews.
Cashew, no almonds.
With two almonds. You see in there?
Open it and show me. Open all the green and show me where the fan.
It's a fan.
Okay. So what do you call the fan?
It's actually now going to be a grinder.
Okay, but it's actually a motor. Okay, so what circuits you have here?
So we have a wire right here.
Power.
Connected with this power
Circuit and then?
Power circuit. So
And then-
we made the wire to give all the power to the circuit.
What is there next?
So it will transport it all the way to here.
What is that?
It's a switch.
Okay. So switch
And
is
then
on
it
off?
will, yes.
Mm-hmm.
When we just turn it on,
Off. Okay.
what? It didn't even break. So it goes to this negative wire.
Okay.
The red ones are positive wires and the black one is negative.
Sure. Always.
Always.
Okay. Sometimes it changes. Okay.
Let me just dump these two almonds out to show you them. And then let's put them right here
Are you sure it will cut the almonds?
and feel like. So we are feeling.
Okay. Assumption.
So now, when we turn it on, it will transport all energy to this.
Power.
And then it will just spin so fast.
Motor spins. Okay.
But we put this on top just to put it non coming out. Wait, it's grinding I think.
There's sound coming now. It's grinding.
Yes. Now let's see if it grinded.
Did or not?
Huh?
Is it grinding or not?
That's okay.
Okay. It's not enough. It's not grinding.
Let's do it a little more time and see what will happen.
Good. You have converted a fan to a grinder. But you don't have that grinder teeth, sharp teeth in it. That's why it's not breaking.
Huh?
Okay, try again.
I turned it on.
Yeah, on it properly. On it properly.
Oh, we have to put it.
Yeah, it's on there also. Some problem. Wait, that.
I wonder what's wrong.
There's a connection problem. I think we need to fix it, okay? There's a problem. There's no problem here. There is no problem at the switch.
I wonder what's
There is
wrong.
no problem at the power circuit.
That's what the scientist was never able to understand.
Oh, which one it is?
I discovered the reason.
What is the reason?
You see this spot, right?
Mm-hmm.
It's not having much connection with the wire.
No, there should be only two.
But it doesn't have much power of it. Maybe we have to wait for some time and then it will repower.
No, we still have power in the house. There's no problem. Just checking where it went wrong. Yes, the problem with the power circuit. Careful with the hand. Hey, where are your safety goggles, dirty fellow? You are a good scientist or a dirty scientist?
I am.
Yeah, good scientists will never
Wait,
remove goggles.
stop. I know why. What is the reason that these are not grinded? Do you know why?
Why, Nana?
They put them very far away from the from this grinding spot.
Oh, you have to put inside then. Put them inside. Put them here. Now you see. Now you see.
First,
Goggles.
yes.
Okay.
Ah, my hair is just falling down. Set up. Good.
Yeah.
And now, movement of two guys. But before that, goes with.
No, it's okay. Leave it. It's not coming out. Off. Where is it? Hey, it's not grinding.
I feel like that's too small.
I also felt it grinded. So we have to use a softer one. Almond is a little harder for these plastic blades.
Maybe cashews?
Cashews will also be stronger, Nana. We need to use something which is more
Wait.
softer.
I ate one dry fruit that was soft. Why?
It was Christmas. No,
Let's
that
try
will also not work. We have to use something different. Okay, let's try to find something.
jaggery.
No, jaggery will not break here. We use something which is very soft. What we should do?
Wait a minute. I got an idea.
What do you do? What do you want to do?
Maybe it's. I found the idea why this doesn't grind these. Do you know why? Because plastic is very soft. It can move anywhere, but it doesn't support things when you shape it. So that's why it doesn't grind very hard things.
Yes, you're right.
Unlike steel.
Unlike
Because
steel,
that steel one actually has those steel blades that cut things.
Okay.
But this one is plastic, so it's softer.
Softer. So we need to find something to keep it inside. Okay. We'll find something which is more softer than plastic, and we'll try to put that inside. Okay.
Rubber is always the softest thing on earth.
But it won't break so easily here. We need something which can be broken easily. Okay? Sure? Okay, good.
There's no way.
We'll find out in the next episode. Okay?
Of Scientist Kusan.
Scientist Kushan. Okay. Till then, stay tuned. Subscribe to our channel. Okay.
Now, bye. Welcome to the